Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. There is, a very important concept which the students study at class 5, 6, 7 level, and even, in class 10th, that concept finds a place. So if that concept is not clarified at class 6 level, then it becomes difficult to solve higher concepts, at class 10th level. I'll show you what is that particular concept. So I'm talking about the factors. Now, if you have to list down all the factors of a number, do you know the prime factorization and the factors, they are interlinked, and you can actually find all the factors of a number using the prime factorization of that number. So I'm going to demonstrate that, and let me tell you that this video is really important. So don't skip anything, watch the complete video. Let me just show you by taking an example of a small number like 20. I want to list down all the factors of 20. And most of us know what are the numbers which divide 20 exactly. But I don't want to miss anything. When I come to 210, you will see how important is that method. Here, 20 can be prime factorized as 2 times the product of primes, right? 2 times 10 means 2 times 5, right? Now, if I have to list the factors of 20, then I will always start with 1 and I will check these numbers. So there is a 2 here, so I will write the single number 2. Then there is a 5 here, so I will write the single number 5. They are all factors. And once I have written all the factors here, then I will try to group them. Like 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 is again a factor. And then we have 2 times 5, which is 10. So 10 is also a factor. And what else? I cannot find any other pair which is different from these numbers now. And therefore, I have to take all the 3 numbers now. And all the 3 numbers obviously is 20 itself. And so I have listed down all the factors of 20. These are the divisors of 20. Now, I'll tell you why this method is important and why should we use the prime factorization to get the factors. Because when you attempt the quadratic equations, when you have to split the middle term, you have a sum and a product, right? And you are trying to get those 2 numbers which give you that required sum and the required product. There, breaking it down into its prime factors and then 2 factors will assume importance. So I'll tell you one more question and then we can proceed. 32 is one of the easier examples. See, 32 is actually 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So there are only 2's here. And so listing all the factors of 32 is very easy. All the factors of 32 will start with 1 obviously. And then different numbers, there is only one number 2. And now I have to pair them up because there is no other number apart from 2. So when you pair it, it will form only one pair, 2 into 2. Rest all pairs are also 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. And then when I make triples, it will be 2 into 2 into 2 only. That is 8. And then when I take 4 at a time, it will be 8 times 2, 16. And finally, all 5, it will be 32. So if the number contains only one prime number as a factor, then listing down the factors of that number is very easy. And now I am going to come to the most important part, 210, which has 16 factors, and I'm going to list it in front of you. Now, these are smart things you need to learn. And when I say smart things, we have this Ultimate Guide to Speed Maths, Volume 1 and Volume 2, which is authored by me only. And this is after 15 years of research, and this contains 350 such smart methods through which you can crack all the Olympiads, all the, competitive exams, JEE also, even SSC, Railways, Banking, CAT, MAT, CLAT. There are hundreds of exams where smartness is required, and this is intended exactly for that purpose. So if I open any random page and show you the presentation, we have the illustration, then we have the examples, then we have the challenge zones, and we have the video. In case you don't understand something, just scan the code and watch the video, and answer key is also given for ready reference. Wonderful compilation of short tricks for competitive exams. So how to get a copy of these two? You can send me a message on WhatsApp if you trust online payments and you're not scared of online payments. You can send me a message on this number 9896369963, or if somehow you are not using online payments, then you can use the Amazon links which are given in the description of this video to order a copy safely. Now 210. What are the factors of 210? The first thing is we should know how 210 is prime factorized. So it is 2 times 3 times 5 times 7. Now whenever you have different factors, prime factors, it becomes all the more difficult to list down all the numbers which divide 210. But if I have to list down, I will always start with 1 and then write the individual numbers. So 1 means 2, 3, 5, 7, 2, 3, 5, 7. See, 5 factors directly listed out, and then start making pairs. 2 with 3, 6, 2 with 5, 10, 2 with 7, 14. See how many factors I am listing. Now 3 with 5, 15, 3 with 7, 21, 5 with 7, 35. See, already I have listed 11 of them and 210 is one of them. So 12, only 4 are left. Where are those 4? We have to make triples. Now triples means, like if I take the 3 here, 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So 30 is another one. Likewise, I can make a triple using 2, 5 and 7, which is 70. I can make a triple using 3, 5 and 7, which is 105. And now only one factor is left. I did not make one triple, and I will leave that for you as a DIY. 210 obviously is the last factor. You have to tell me which factor did I miss out. Okay, so do some research, friends, and do not forget to practice this. This is very important. If you are in class 5, 6, start practicing this, and when you grow up and go in class 9th and 10th, all those topics of middle term splitting which normally haunt students, they are going to be so easy for you. So friends, get yourself a copy of the Speed Maths books. This is my WhatsApp number. Send me a message, or the Amazon links. You can click the links here in the description of this video and get yourself a copy. So friends, if you like this video, like this concept, do share it with all your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel also. Okay. Now practice is what is required. Okay. 30-40 questions, and you have to let me know in the comments below, is it working for you? All the best.